Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week I'm trying out a colour scheme for the Battle Sisters. To test this scheme I'm using the Sister Superior from One Page Rules. She was black and white zenithal primed and I get started with olive green for the bulk of her armour. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. For the rest of the armour I went for light brown as the main colour. To highlight up the green, I grabbed olive green and just done those raised areas. Moving on to highlighting the brown, I used golden brown for all of those raised parts. For her skin, I base coated all of her exposed parts with ancient forest. Highlighting the skin, I went for Wasteland Brown. Moving on to the metal parts, I give them all a once over with plate armor. I leave out the sword blade for this as I want to add a bit more colour with this later on. To add that bit more colour to the Mini, I used Amethyst Rain. This is for some of the small details and the sword blade. See, it's standard on a lizard head, so I make it stand out a bit more, giving it a base coat of Berserker Red. For the base, I went for Vampire Fang for the base layer, just to give it that marble look. I was a bit quick putting this on though, as the red hadn't fully dried, but that's okay since I'm putting blood effects around the head anyway. To highlight up the purple, I used Sorcerer's Cloak. The lizard head needed a little bit more, so I give it a highlight with boar hide. Moving on to her hair, I basically got the entire thing with ivory tusk. Since I want the base to look a bit more of a marble look, I dabbed this onto the tiles as well. finishing the hair and the tiles off, I highlight them with off-white. Onto the washes, I get started with the Proxy green wash for all of the green parts. For the metallic parts, I wash them with Oblivion black wash. Finally, I wash everything else, including the base, with Army Painter's Flesh Wash. And that will be it for the Sister Superior. Not a big fan of this scheme now that it's on the model, but I think the brown could probably do a bit more of a desaturation, more akin to what the tiles are on the base. But that is the joys of 3D printing. I have 3 more of these models that I can try different schemes out with. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.